Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Internshala Student Partner and also going to tell you about some internship provided by Internshala platform. And also after doing this internship, you can earn your pocket money and also gain experiences as per your internships. So you can also nowadays see in current scenario so many colleges and school not open till now due to COVID-19 situation, and due to COVID-19 also classes are running online, and which give you some free time in which you can do your part-time internship or part-time job. So which is non-technical or technical as per your interest, in which you have interest to do, either it's technical or non-technical. So like I have told you earlier, how can you utilize your time in the best way? By doing internship, because if you are doing any professional course like btech bcom anything else like professional, then you should do any internship which is technical or non-technical, because company demands you should do your internship in between your academics. So you can do like technical internship, work from home internship, because nowadays no one going to any other companies, all the work are going from work from home. So also you can apply for campus semester internship for Internshala, which is called ISP, Internshala Student Partner. So why part-time internship? Because part-time internship is the best way to utilize your free time, because it takes only 2 or 3 hours in a day. So why part-time internship also important for earning, like if you are doing something, then you can also earn your pocket money, by which you can buy your favorite things, and also you can earn a valuable certificate by completing your internship, which is technical or non-technical is depend upon you. So did you know 5 lakh plus students have got a part-time internship through Intershala platforms, and also earned nearly 1 lakh 20,000 rupees. So it's also you can see here so many students already done the internship of Intershala, and also technical or non-technical is depend upon you in which field you have interest to do. How to get part-time internship? So you can apply, as you told, as I'm told you earlier, you can go to Intershala website, which is also given in the description. You can check all the links I provide in the description. So as you know how to apply a part-time internship, there are nearly 3 steps: register for free, complete your profile, apply and get hired. So you can go to website I give in the description. So moving forward, some words from interns which have done some internship and earned some stipend and some goodies. Like you can earn stipend nearly. Ujjwal Agrawal earned 15,000 and bought DSLR camera with his stipend. So and Nitish Ventikash earned stipend nearly 15,000 and bought gift for his parents with his stipend. So you can also apply and earn and give some gift to your parents, and happy them with your work that you have utilized your time. So if you have given the link of ISP program in the description box, you can check in the description box for the link. So after clicking the link, you have to log in, or you have to create an account if you do not have in the Intershala, which link I have given in the description box. So here you can see it is the page open, then you can see super reward iPhone 11, and it is a 70 days program, 70 days program aimed at building leaders of tomorrow. So college, any college student from any degree stream here is can apply for this program. Means if you are in BTech and in first year, second year, you can apply for this program. And also BA, BSc, BCom, any student from any college you can apply. What is in for you means what you get from this internship or ISP program. So you have to represent Intershala in your comfort from your home, and also you have to after completing this you earn a prestigious letter of recommendation from Intershala. You also earn a monthly pocket money, and also if you perform very well in this ISP program, then you can win iPhone 11. So what were the responsibility given in this Intershala Student Partner Program? So you have to promote internships, Intershala internships, and also training among your peers. Means you have to promote these things among your colleges and also connections, and also help your peers learn new skill via Intershala training. and also you have to train your peers to get an internship, because so many of your peers don't know about how to get an internship, how to get a very good internship in technical and non-technical field. So you have to train also in this program. So what are the deadlines of the application of ISP program? So on 20th October application is live, and after 20th October to 4th November the participate is direct entry round, and the deadline for the application is 4th November, and also result come on 15th November. So some of ISPs tell about this program, like you can see this Tamanna Jain from this college. His public speaking and networking skill are improved by this program. And also you can see Prathme Mandrekar of this college improve his communication and time management skill after completing this program. So now we came how you can apply in student. Here you can see you have to give your mail address, your first name, your last name, your college name, your city of your college, and also mobile number, and also what degree you are doing, like BTech, BSc, BCom, integrated or BTech, master, like you have to give this. And also you have to give your stream, what is stream you are doing, like CS, IT, EC department, finance, accounts, chemical engineering, arts. So you have to mention also your year of college, in which year you are in college. Also if you are not in college, you can mention it also, like some of teacher also applying for this Intershala student partner. So why does Intershala excite you? This simple question you can answer it in 100 words approximately. And also how would you create awareness about the Intershala in your college? You can also mention nearly 50 to 60 words is maximum. I think it will be great if you mention 50 at least. And also you have to mention your are you currently associated with any society or campus ambassador program. So you have to also mention this thing. After that you have to simply submit this form. So if you have some question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like and share with your friends. Thank you.